Wow.
Ano mo? Live ko.
This is my hardest subject, public speaking. Although I would confess, I was once a Toastmaster, but that was a very long time ago already. But I try my best tonight. For Randy, Joy, congratulations for your marriage today sa atong Catholic Church. Salamat sa mama ni Randy for being very supportive to her children. And to the parents of Joy, Romain and Bernadita, we appreciate your coming here. You love your Joy. Thank you for coming. And my family, my brothers and sisters, just very supportive man. Hindi man. Mga friends ko lang, I know now who are my friends. Kaya mga friends ko, kung invite ko, ari gid, salamat gid. Kasi family ni Joy, ari kamutanan, salamat. Mga friends ni Randy, salamat, ari manitang. Friends sa itong, friends of Kia. Ang grupo namin nila, doon salamat na hari ko. Pirmi kami kita na yung grupo ni Mami nila, Chinese group. Mga maninoy. Ang maninoy na Randy, maninoy yung mani sa bunyag. Pagkatapos ang mga maninay, mga close family, mga close din sila sa kay family, sa kay Randy, kay Joy. Isang salamat sa mga kabataan ko. Ari mo kabitanan namon family. Dason, hindi, namatay ito na rin na. Kalabanan nila, siling nila, Toto, gaaway pa kung sini mo asawa? Bilang ko sububra ka mo, isang Diyos wala na. Siling nila, yan Toto nung ginahimo ko, pero nabalaan ko nibla, nang piknik lang na hindi ka mamang-aaway sa asawa. Nimo, mga late 60s na ko kung nabalaan ko ni naling ko pare gaway pa ka mo ni kumari ni misis ko kung lang na ba pre kung ka lang sa Diyos wala na bla nabaw kami ni kumari mo ni adlaw yalo siya nag-aaway kami mga 70s na yan ang sakrito ko yung ko ay sus pre pagka open siya ba ni kumari mo, napabongol na lang ko pre. Bingi ko sa Tagalog. Pag sabihin ko, Bonyo, tapos hindi ka manotice yung asawa mong gahambal sa hangin. Kontak mo lang. Hindi siya mong huwag niya sa gaway, sa asawa yan, mayroon kapatid gaway, napabongol na lang. Sige, salamat for coming. Kagdasan salamat din nga. Nag-enjoy man tanan. Bante, Joy. Congratulations, ha.
Once again, people, thank you very much. Again, that's advice about love, life, and marriage. Thank you, Tito. We have our final message for this evening, full of love as well. Let's all welcome Mr. Vincent Deloso. Sir Vincent, would you like any piece of music to dance to, or okay?
Hi everybody, good evening. I'm Vince, dance classmates ever since elementary school. By the way, Tito, thank you for the wisdom. Today, actually, I have seen two firsts from Dan. First, I have never seen him dance so meaningfully tonight. Tonight, grabe. We've danced to Gary V, we imitated maneuvers, we danced to Mariah Carey, but tonight, it was his best dance ever. And Joy, of course. And I have never seen him cry, Tita, ever since. I haven't. Until earlier, as Joy walked down the aisle. And I saw, and I knew right there, na Dan found his true love. And I was reading the gospel earlier. It's about God that He took apart sa rib, sa man. Then that seeing Nandi, how she looks at her wife, his wife, I mean, it made me understand the meaning of that gospel. So that's all I can say. Dan, I wish you forever. Dan and Joya, congratulations. And by the way, we can't dance anymore because our knees hurt.
Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Vincent Veloso. Okay, we're done with our messages for this evening. I'd just like to point out that the bride and groom, they got married August 18, 2018. And now they got married again tonight, which means love is very abundant here at the Sugarland Hotel. They'd like to share that abundance of love with all these other couples. So, if I call out your name together with your couple, please stand for the next part of tonight's program. Don't worry, I'll take care of everything. First up, we'd like to call on Mike and Michelle Lee. Mike and Michelle Lee, please stand. Just stand, it's okay, it's okay. Mike and Michelle Lee. Next up is Vanessa and Ryan Frias. Oh, please remain standing. Please remain standing. Vanessa and Ryan Frias. All right. Jason and Joyce Cadivida. We have Junray and Melissa. Junray and Melissa, if you're here. Sunny and Floor. Sunny and Floor. Very good. We have Richie and Lambert. Richie, there are prizes, by the way. Richie and Lambert, then Rafael and Christine. Joining us is Michael and Marines. Michael, Marines.